Yo, boys and girls. All right, so since the last video got posted, it's been doing great on views, got like 30 new subscribers at this point, and it's only been a couple days. So depending on when this video comes out, we're going to be looking at, maybe even more growth. So I just want to say thanks so much for all the support with the new F-150 project. And of course, I got another video for you today because you guys are loving them. So I'm really happy with the F-150 so far. I've driven it a handful of times. I've been taking it out to dinner and stuff like that. Today, I have a little bit of old footage to show you, which we're going to skip to next. I picked up a set of wheels for this thing. And so today, in this episode, we're going to get those wheels thrown on. And another thing that I want to do, I want to get this rack taken off and the lights taken off. I do plan on holding on to the rack for now unless someone gives me a real good offer on it, on Marketplace or whatever. But I kind of like the idea of the truck looking like a work truck, especially when we start making this thing fast and like taking it to our local drags, which if you haven't checked out any of my street drag videos with the black GMC, it's some pretty good entertainment if you're looking for some cheap entertainment. So with that being said, I'd like to hold on to the rack and the lights and just keep them off to the side. And when this thing's making way more power with two spinny things on the front of it, put the rack back on, have the lights rolling while we're out at the track. I think that would be kind of fun. So today, our goal is get the wheels that I'm just about to show you thrown on, and then we're gonna take the rack off. Alrighty guys, it's the next day, but just went and picked these up last night for the new truck. So here we got some 20-inch factory sport wheels, F-150 sport wheels, and so the guy had them listed for $600. The tires are pretty much toast on them. In his ad, he said 1 more year. You're not getting 1 more year out of these things, especially in a Wisconsin winter. Those ones might be okay. Anyways, they're 275/60s. They're a little bit bigger. It's not going to work on our truck, so we're going to go pick up a set of tires for these, a set of 275/55 20s, but I really like these wheels. These were like what would have come factory on my crew cab F-150. It's a nice 6-spoke design, looks pretty good, nice dark gray, almost looks silver though. So we're going to throw those on the truck, and they gave me a grill from a 15 through 17 for free. So has an emblem and it's silver. I'm like, well, they're like, we're gonna throw it in the trash. I'm like, well, I'll take it, I guess, if it's free. And so now I got a grill for free. But anyways, so we got the wheels. Let's go pick up some tires and get them thrown together and get them thrown on the truck. Man, I love Marketplace deals, freaking in town, so easy. So picked up, these are not my first choice right here, but they're round, they're fairly new, they'll look good on the wheels. Set of Bridgestone, what are these? Dueler H/L. It's like a highway tire. It's not super aggressive, but on a somewhat lowered F-150, these will probably look pretty good. Probably gonna look similar to tires we got on Turbo GMC. So all 4 of them, I give the guy $300. Thought that was a pretty good deal. All right, so here we are with our 20-inch wheels that we picked up for the truck, and we're gonna get these guys thrown onto the F-150 real quick. I think it's gonna look a heck of a lot better than these steel wheels that we got going on right now. It's always a good sign when the wheel's not rusted to the hub. Baby, that looks so much better than the steel wheels. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so obviously we'll pull this thing outside and get you a little better view, but dang, this thing looks good. It's crazy how a set of nice factory wheels can change the look of a truck by so much. I'm gonna keep these wheels and tires because I got plans for them. I'm curious, do any of you guys that are in the F-150 world know how much these steel 17s weigh without tires? Because I have a plan for these, but if they're really heavy, then I'm gonna scratch that plan. If they're not, I think we're gonna have to do it. But yeah, these look really good. I'm gonna move on to getting the rack de-racked. Alrighty guys, we're back home with the project back rack without a back rack. Looks pretty good though. We got the 20s on it and I'm really digging the look. It's not lowered too far, you know, in the back here. It's still got a little bit of rake to it is what I'm trying to say. I'm a pretty big fan of this look because it's not like raked out so bad that it definitely looks like a work truck or like it's gonna haul a trailer, but still usable. And you can see we got the fall colors starting to turn, my least favorite time of the year because I know what's coming. That looks pretty good in my opinion. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you think it needs to be lowered more. Eventually, if we're, you know, going real fast in this thing, of course we're gonna lower it more. You can see got that all black front end. Now I will admit I got something coming for the front end. That's gonna be our next video. I'm really excited for that, you know, make it look a little better. But damn, this thing looks good. This is exactly what I've always dreamed of in a regular cab right here, at least for a daily driver.
Okay.
All right, Taylor's gonna take a look at her wheels on her new truck.
Do I have to keep my eyes closed?
No, you can turn around.
Okay. Oh,
What do you think?
I like them.
Not too bad, huh?
Yeah,
Nice factory 20s.
yeah, I like them. I'll have to see a comparison to other pictures from the old ones to like really understand the difference.
Oh
Since
man.
I'm literally just a girl. But they look nice.
Yeah, I think so too. I think that difference should be a little more obvious to you, but
Sorry.
apparently not.
We've only had the truck for like what, a week? I don't pay attention. I was paying
2
attention
weeks.
to the light,
2 weeks.
which RIP the light.
Yeah, Taylor's light is gone. No more back rack, even though this is project back rack.
Yeah. It looks so much different. It kind of messed that
Yeah,
up a little
I
bit.
didn't notice that actually. I'm not sure what did that, or if that, I think that was there. It was probably just getting covered up.
See, those are the things I noticed.
Mm.
Just like I noticed that a bee is trying to build a hive in the bed. Right there.
Nah, it's probably been there a while. Alright,
They look nice. I like them.
thanks for your impressions.
2 thumbs up.
Alrighty guys, just got home from work and last night some guy actually messaged me about the deck boxes in the truck. So I listed them for $1,200. I'll show you the ad here over to the side. And he offered me $1,000 and I told him to come get them. So first person to message me and also only person to message me. So I figured get them out here fast and sell them for $1,000. It's a little lower than I wanted, but it is what it is. So let's see if he shows up and get this thing out of the truck. Oh my God, look at this mess. All right, so the gentleman that bought the deck system is gone and we got it all installed in his truck. Bed's somewhat cleaned out. Still pretty dirty, but at least we don't have a crap ton of tags in it. And we got $1,000 in 20s. I haven't had $1,000 in 20s in a long time. Usually people bring, you know, at least like a majority of it in bigger bills, but anyways, whatever works. So we got that gone and we got $1,000 for mods. All right, so now that we got the deck system gone out of the bed of the truck, I actually have a tonneau cover for this thing that I picked up. Another marketplace find, ended up being $80 I gave the guy. And so I want to get that thrown on real quick, and let's see how it looks. All right, so we got the tonneau cover installed on old back rack over here, and it is what it is. If you have been following the channel for a little while, you know that I'm not the biggest fan of soft covers because they really provide no security and they flap around and make noise. So eventually this truck might get a hard cover, or it might not have a cover. You never know with the way that this build is going. Nonetheless, it keeps the stuff in the bed mostly dry, and it was 80 bucks. So I wish I could buy $1,000 backflip MX4s for all my vehicles, but wouldn't be able to afford something like this if I was doing that for the other 4 trucks that I own. So we make it work with what we can find on Facebook. I'm pretty surprised this is actually a Ford branded cover, so it probably came OEM on a vehicle at some point in time. And so now we got it on our little regular cab short bed. I'm still working on, I got most of the reflective tape off this thing. Just an update on that, but we got one piece left here, and then I got quite a bit of sticky adhesive down there and on the door over on this side. So we'll get that taken care of, and then this thing needs a full paint correction. It's actually not too bad. They must have never washed it, which is actually a good thing, as long as it's not down or, you know, up here in the rust belt. But it's just got, you know, the paint could use some clay bar and some magic. So I think eventually when we're cooped up in the garage, that'll be one of our projects that we can go over. But until I see you guys next time, I hope you're enjoying the truck videos. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. We got something cool coming for the front end of this thing.